We all love to travel, but do you know trekking helps you to live long? It not only changes your mood, burns calories, increases your metabolism rate, but also boosts your immunity. Stay tuned to know how to get best out of a trek, as I'm going to highlight more than 10 benefits of trekking. This is Manisha, travel designer and influencer by profession, founder and managing director of We Live a Travel Shopping, an experiential travel company. We recommend, research and design our travel services for you to have an immersive travel experience. Most of us know the importance of exercise. However, with our busy schedule, it is important to prioritize the activities that give us significant health benefits. Also, working at the gym appears to be less desirable after sitting at the desk in the office. It is not surprising that increasing number of people have started to ditch the gym and hit the trails. Moreover, just half an hour of walking or hiking has fantastic impact on your health. Are you aware that more than 1 billion people suffer from vitamin D deficiency? So one of the major benefits of trekking is to get vitamin D right from the sun. I know I need more reasons to convince you to put your walking boots on. So here are the benefits of trekking. Some will definitely surprise you. Live longer. Research has shown that just walking 5 miles a week at a low pace is enough to reduce your risk of heart attacks, strokes and heart failure by 31%. 5 miles is just 10,000 steps. So if you are addicted to your Fitbit and find yourself pacing around the night to reach 10,000 steps, then well done. You are absolutely smashing the target. Being active is one of the key ways to reduce your risk of cancer too. Exercise lowers the estrogen in your body stream, which is believed to be the reason why active women are around 30% less likely to develop breast cancer. Revamp your mood. Doctors encourage exercise such as walking to avoid depression increasingly. Trekking is a perfect mood booster as it combines the physical benefits of workout with the added mental health of being in nature while socializing with other hikers on the trail. Some clinical studies have shown other benefits of spending extended periods in nature: reduction in stress and blood pressure, improved energy levels and sound sleep. In the ever-increasing fast-paced society, increased emotional well-being and reduced stress are some of the great benefits of trekking. Strengthen your heart. Walking becomes a cardio workout when you push yourself to the point that conversation becomes more difficult. Cardio exercise is important for strengthening your heart, lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. Increase your metabolism. Just spending 20 minutes in a fixed position leads to decrease in metabolism, and 4 hours of inactivity almost completely shut down enzymes that metabolize fats. When you are at work, it is important to take regular screen breaks to combat this. Trekking can improve your metabolism by building muscle mass in your legs. The more the muscle mass you have, the greater your resting metabolic rate. For every 4.5 pounds of muscle mass, your resting metabolic rate increases by 50 kcal per day. Burn calories. Several surveys shows that extended periods of daily hiking with a backpack between 6 to 8 hours turn the body into competent fat burning and testosterone fueled machine. Trekking involves walking up and down hills. The uphill walks can bring the heart close to the target heart rate, while giving it time to recover on the downhill walks. Strengthen your bones. Your bones require load to be placed onto them to maintain their strength. Weightlifting is a good way to improve bone density, as is trekking with rucksack. Trekking has added benefits of being low impact way to exercise, which is useful for those who suffer into joint pains. Increase focus and productivity. It is shown that 10 minutes of movement increases productivity and mental focus at work. So, get outside and take a walk on your lunch break. By incorporating a trek into your weekend activities, you will further increase focus by reducing stress and increasing your physical fitness. As we all know, the best ideas come to us when we are away from the desk. Experience local culture and local food. Trekking can bring one across a vast area and involve going through some remote villages. While trekking, we make you experience stay with locals at our hand-picked homestays, taste their local food and learn about their culture. These fantastic experiences are only available to those who walk, as there are no roads to bring in mass number of visitors. Survival instincts. One can learn to sustain oneself with minimum resources while trekking. You can put yourself out of the comfort zone into unfamiliar territory, and conditions can turn bad without much warning, as it does in the mountains. A test for both your mental and physical prowess. Don't worry, we have got you covered, but you too learn the survival techniques while trekking. Trek from technology. You will be away from your laptops, perhaps even cell phone networks, television and many more distracting gadgets once you are in the hills. The freedom from these gadgets can reteach you to appreciate and reconnect with nature while being independent of electronic devices. Trekking in nature is a great way to reconnect with yourself for self-discovery and reflection. Make new friends. Not only it is fun to meet new people, but there are proven health benefits too. Adults with larger social circle are shown to have decreased blood pressure and to live longer. Being a part of a group with a common purpose, such as hiking trip, increases your sense of belonging and purpose, which is great for your emotional well-being. The breathtaking picturesque views, the serene and quiet moments of self-reflection. Trekking and backpacking in the outdoors give so many health benefits that range from physical to mental and the spiritual well-being. There is something naturally majestic, gratifying, which eventually provides an abundance of confidence as you increase your habit of trekking in the lap of Mother Nature. Hope this video enlightened you to plan your first trek with your family, as a trek makes a beautiful family bonding activity too. Please like and share this video with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, in my next video, I'm going to talk about how to prepare for your next trekking holiday. So stay tuned.